fucking do this.
Tell everyone that it's snowing.
Yeah, I know, it's snowing outside. The camera can't see it really well. Hudson, tell the camera what we're about to do.
We are going to shoot cars with paintball.
Might be cool.
Oh, there's chairs in here.
Is it really?
Yeah. Ow.
Fucking do it.
The tree's in the way.
Well, get it out of the way.
Good. Oh, I hit it.
Oh, shit.
Maybe we're gonna be like, oh, it sounds like gunshots again. Call the cops.
Like last night.
Fucking that tree. Yo, we should just like set it outside.
Here, I'll put the camera right on top of the gun.
I'll hold it.
We're not shooting it at your house.
Okay, I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up. Okay, calm down.
Who's shooting paintball at his house?
Well, probably you, because you had the gun.
I didn't shoot it yet.
Alright, there's the paintballs.
Dude, look at how much it's fucking snowing, man. The camera can't see it, but it's fucking snowing.
That's scary, I'm gonna wait like a minute.
Dude, no more shooting, man. He's just gonna come out again and be like, oh, I'm going to the fucking police or something.
Okay.